So guys, Roberto, it's time for this. I bought a battery. Then I bought some new knives. Legal or illegal? Alien. So, poo-poo, baba, or whatever you say. Then you have to be careful not to break anything. Battery, which fits. Yep. All these cables. Hole. Put the knife in. Now that's easy. These knives are better than the old ones. Need to put back. Well, what do you know? It's moving. And the bird decided to make poo-poo, baba, or whatever you say without getting, censored. And some say it brings luck. Well, I'm not so sure. But a little show after today's project is over if it actually helps. Now, same procedure like the last video. Off, and then down here. It's not easy. So then, you have to be careful not to break anything. So, and you remember, so it's just off with the knob. So then, and 42. You remember this? Multi-connector. So, off with that. You remember that it's this connector here. We take it off before we operate this. And then this goes off. And again you can choose to take it up before. That's the last thing you remember to put it back. Here's the battery. Let's hope it fits. Yeah, it looks the same. It does have a different color instead of the second yellow. But as long as the yellow, which should be yellow but here is white, is in the same terminal, I don't see no problem. So we put the new battery, which fits. Hopefully. Yep. Det var da meget godt in Danish. That was pretty awesome. So, old battery gone. Back with this. It needs to go under all these cables. Bing bong. Again. Yeah, I don't want to continuously force this. This is the power core for the charger, and I just don't want to continue pulling it so violently. So what I'm gonna do is just do this, equalize it a little bit, and so this, because this is the charging cables coming from the nose of the lawnmower, so you don't want to break those. So that's it. Battery changed. And then we have this multi-connector, and it's quite simple. We want like that. Next time, take this Roberto, right? Okay, you better know. Here we have it. So it's time for the knives. You find where the screw is, push down this plate. You can also take it all off. There was one. Out. And a knife. screwing machines. They are miracles. Then we need this knife. Can you please come out? Okay, they look a little bit, guys. Okay, they're not new anymore. I think they're thin as paper. So, okay, that's a good reason for changing it. Last one. Yeah, and that was, yeah, and the installation is reverse. So you find the corresponding hole, put the knife in, and then you put the screw, which is not an easy thing. The best thing you can do is basically just squeeze this together, this plate. See? Now that's easy. And we tighten it all the way because the screw has a shoulder. And you just give a good yank. So then. And you can see the knife is still moving. Good. And so the next, again, same procedure. Find a place, put this, squeeze the plate. I think it's a good trick because otherwise you will have problems. As you can see, this is so easy. Just tighten well. And so the last one, again, you put the knife. I think you get it by now. Yucks. So then, and I can swear to you that these knives are better than the old ones. We flip our guy around. It's good. I turn it up. I want to see if there's light. Wow, guys, I think there's actually life. Right, okay. It wants a new pin code. You just push the old one. Cut, and we turn it off. Because now we put the battery, it seems to me that works. And now we're gonna put this. Remember, we have this. We need to put back. And we need to make sure that this is... That's not it. I can never seem to find that spot. There. 3 times down is the charm. So, that's it. Voila, guys. Seems like we've been here before, right? No, this time with a new battery and new knives. Guys, I'm just gonna start the dude here. And then, beep beep. He want our code. When we start. We want it to start. Well, what do you know? It's moving. And so guys, that was it. Thanks for watching the video. And let's hope this was the final solution to our battery problem on our Roberto Husqvarna Automower 310. Because if it don't work with a new battery, then I don't know what to say anymore. Then we are into some serious shit. No, anyway, I think that this is the solution. So guys, I want to keep you up posted on that. Is that really a name? Updated, posted, multilingual, and as usual, I see many subscribes. You cannot imagine how I'm happy about that. Biggest gratitude and thanks to all y'all who decided to subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. I wish that everybody would follow your great example and subscribing and put and hit dislike. Because this gives me motivation like you cannot imagine. I feel motivation like a stream of wellness. This is nice to see that somebody want to see more from you. So I will not let you down, guys. I will keep posting stuff and I try to stay relevant, but also try to stay a little bit more fun. because this was a little bit hectic. The videos, the startup of YouTube and all, but it will improve with time, I promise you. So I can only give you one good advice, guys. Stay tuned. Recommend me to your friends and family everywhere, and maybe they want to subscribe to my channel too. Who knows? That would be great. But for now, Roberto working. Hopefully now for many years to come. New knives, everything's nice. Until that point, until we see each other again, that was MusicDane. Over and out.